Hey, welcome back, everyone. Little Red and I out here. Uh, did get into town today. Did a little business with a good old acquaintance of mine. Got some high vis sights on the rear of the GP 100 today in 22 long rifle. I think I finally got her dialed in at about 20 yards, which is about the limit of my eyesight now, anyway. So I think that's about all that I can do anyway. Well, I'll get a few more 3-shot groups on target, and we'll see how it goes. So I'll pause out and get the fancy camera stand set up, and we'll try and get a nice group on that big dot that I got on that barrel out there. That's my target barrel out there. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I hope that holds. You're not going to see me in the camera, but that's what we're going for right out there. There's the barrel. Got a large fluorescent pink paint stick dot on it, so I'll just go ahead and switch glasses here. This is the most difficult lighting of the day for me. I'll definitely show you my setup here. All right, got pretty good visibility. So sitting on the ground and resting on my backpack, and I'm gonna shoot single action. See how it goes. Oops, that was 3. Let's stop right there and go take a look. Get this holstered here. And we'll go take a look. Hopefully you can see the pause button here. I believe that's my mistake right there. I pulled to the right. I think I'm gonna call the height pretty good right there. I like that. I'll maybe take do another group of 3 and see what happens there. I'll try and be a lot more steady. All right. As you can see, this kind of all over the place. Lots of adjustment. That's a group right there. That is a group right there. My first group's way down here. Had to do a lot of adjusting. Okay, that's my last group. I really want to tighten that up. I'm not really on the bench rock solid steady. You know, I'm kind of sitting on the ground, just resting my backpack on top of my knees. Not a very steady rest, but we'll see what we can do. Yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Well, let's go take a look. Quite a bit high that time. 1, 2, 3. Those 3 right there. Not too happy with that. We'll try it again. Okay, definitely getting my groups a lot tighter. I'll show you what I did when we get back to Little Red. I think I'm going to come 1 click over to the right and 1 click down. Okay, these 2, or maybe 3, I don't know. I'm liking that a lot better. I'll do 3 more hits on that and see what happens. That's what we're looking for right there. I believe I have a 1, 2, 3 pinpoint accuracy. I have to make the dots this big. There's a good scale for you. That's how large you have to make these dots. You got to understand, I'm 1 year out of cataract surgery and it didn't turn out so well. So I struggle with blurry vision, distance vision in this kind of sunlight. So that's what it takes for me to get a revolver grouped in. I'm at about 20 yards. I'll step it off and I'll tell you for sure. So one of my paces is about 3 feet. So okay, I'm right at exactly 18 of my paces. So 18 times about 3 feet. And I'm standing right here on the corner of Little Red. And I'm just leaning onto my jacket and my pail, just like that. That's what I'm doing. Well, I like that a lot better. Kind of averaging out into the center of the dot there. At least we're taking that center line. Okay. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know if I like the new sights very much. I got them set all the way high, and now I'm worried about the springs falling out of the rear sights. The fiber optic dots in the rear don't really help me a whole lot in some situations. I may go back to the factory sights. I don't know. I'll get that 357 out and see what we can do. I gotta put a new dot on that barrel and make sure the old 357 can at least hit something, you know what I mean? I'm just gonna have to call that good. Did some freestanding shots there. Good enough. That's all I can do.